Hey guys, welcome back to the Build Breakdown. Today, we will be looking at this young woman who bought an abandoned dirty villa and renovated it all by herself. To kick things off, she's clearing out the years of accumulated clutter from this attic space. It's the essential first step in any renovation. Stripping the room back to its bones to reveal the true potential of the layout before the real transformation begins. With the space cleared and prepped, she's moving on to the surface treatment. She's applying a fresh coat of primer to the masonry walls using a roller, ensuring maximum adhesion for the final paint. This is a crucial step in a basement or attic renovation to seal the substrate and provide a uniform, professional finish. With the masonry prepped, she's moving on to the flooring installation. She's using a sliding miter saw to make precise crosscuts on her timber planks, ensuring a tight fit against the walls. In a small space like this, exact measurements are the only way to avoid gaps and ensure the finished floor is both stable and aesthetically true. She's shifting focus to the ceiling. She's installing a custom slat feature by securing timber planks directly to the joists. This is a smart architectural move. It doesn't just add a modern organic texture to the room. It also provides a clever way to hide electrical runs or uneven patches in the original ceiling without a full replastering. With the ceiling slats in place, she's moving on to the platform assembly. She's elevating large stained plywood panels onto timber support blocks to create a custom raised floor system. This is a brilliant renovation hack. It instantly defines a separate zone within the room while providing a perfectly level surface over the original uneven attic floor. With the floor platform secure, she's building out custom furniture to fit the new layout. She's assembling a structural timber frame for a built-in sofa, ensuring the base is rock solid before adding the final finish. This integrated approach to renovation is a great way to maximize every square inch of a compact attic space. I'll let you guys enjoy the video, and whenever needed, explain some concepts. To create this intricate feature wall, she is using her sliding miter saw to produce hundreds of individual geometric offcuts. By varying the angles of her crosscuts, she's transforming standard timber into a collection of unique triangular and polygonal shapes. This technique is a brilliant way to add depth and organic texture to the renovation. Once these pieces are secured to the substrate using a pneumatic brad nailer, they create a striking 3D mosaic effect that serves as a custom architectural focal point for the room. With the heavy construction finished, she's moving into the site clear-out phase. She's gathering up the timber offcuts and debris into a bucket to prep the room for the final styling. Keeping a clean workspace during a renovation isn't just about aesthetics. It's a critical safety step to ensure the new flooring and custom built-ins remain protected during the transition from work zone to living space. Now they're positioning the mattress onto a raised wooden platform. The platform creates a defined sleeping area and adds elevation, which helps with airflow and prevents moisture buildup. The wood panel backing also frames the bed visually, making the space feel intentional instead of temporary. The transformation is complete. It's hard to believe this designer-level retreat started as a forgotten, dusty attic. What we've seen today is more than just a renovation. It's a masterclass in maximizing structural potential through smart engineering and intentional design. From the intricate geometry of that custom feature wall to the clever use of zoned platforms to define the living space, every decision was about turning a cramped footprint into a functional sanctuary. It's proof that the expert label isn't something you're born with. It's something you build, one precision cut at a time. Join the crew. If you love seeing the science and strategy behind the world's most impressive DIY builds, make sure to like and subscribe to join the crew.